Your digestive system is constantly working, breaking down food, and absorbing essential nutrients every single day. As this process happens, your intestines naturally produce different substances, including something we all know very well. That something is intestinal gas, commonly known simply as a fart. As we travel deeper into your digestive system, we can discover exactly where intestinal gas originates. Several different processes contribute to gas production, including digestion, gut bacteria, and air entering your digestive tract. Understanding these processes makes farting seem much less embarrassing and much more fascinating. Inside your colon, tiny gas bubbles naturally form as your digestive system processes food. These bubbles gradually move through the intestinal tract before eventually leaving your body naturally. Although it may seem funny, this process is completely normal and happens every day. Farting might sometimes feel embarrassing, especially when it happens around other people unexpectedly. But biologically, your body isn't doing anything wrong when you pass intestinal gas. In fact, releasing gas is simply one normal function of a healthy digestive system. When trapped gas finally escapes, pressure inside your abdomen can decrease significantly and provide noticeable relief. That sudden feeling of comfort happens because accumulated gas is no longer stretching your intestines. So yes, sometimes farting can genuinely make you feel much better. But why exactly does your body produce gas in the first place? And could something as embarrassing as farting actually tell us something about digestion? Let's explore the surprising science behind this completely natural bodily function. Your colon contains trillions of bacteria that play important roles in processing the food you eat. These microscopic organisms help break down substances that your body cannot completely digest on its own. As they work, they naturally produce several different gases inside your intestines. One important process happening inside your colon is called bacterial fermentation. During fermentation, gut bacteria break down certain carbohydrates and fibers that reach the large intestine. One natural consequence of this bacterial activity is the production of intestinal gas. Not all intestinal gas comes from bacteria living inside your colon. Some gas actually begins as ordinary air that you accidentally swallow throughout your day. Eating quickly, drinking, chewing gum, and even talking can increase swallowed air. Certain foods can provide gut bacteria with more material to ferment inside your large intestine. Beans, lentils, vegetables, dairy products, and fiber-rich foods can sometimes increase gas production. However, the foods that trigger gas can be completely different from one person to another. Food travels through several different stages before reaching your large intestine. During this journey, nutrients are absorbed while the remaining material continues moving through your digestive tract. Once it reaches the colon, bacteria begin processing what's left and producing gas. So where does all that intestinal gas actually come from inside your body? Some comes from swallowed air, while gut bacteria create additional gas through fermentation. Certain foods can contribute too, making gas production a completely normal digestive process. Your intestines contain a complex community of microorganisms collectively known as your gut microbiome. These bacteria constantly interact with the food moving through your digestive system. Their normal activity can produce gas without anything being wrong with your body. Having gas does not automatically mean something is wrong with your digestive system. For many people, producing and passing gas regularly is completely normal and expected. In fact, eliminating all intestinal gas would be neither realistic nor necessary. When too much gas temporarily builds inside your intestines, your abdomen can feel tight or uncomfortable. Passing that gas allows the pressure to decrease as the bubbles move out naturally. That's why letting yourself fart can sometimes provide surprisingly quick digestive relief. Fiber is extremely important because it supports healthy digestion and provides food for beneficial gut bacteria. However, those bacteria ferment some types of fiber inside your large intestine. That fermentation can produce additional gas, especially when you suddenly increase your fiber intake. Bloating can happen when gas temporarily accumulates instead of moving smoothly through your digestive tract. This can make your stomach area feel tight, heavy, stretched, or uncomfortable. As the gas moves through and eventually escapes, that uncomfortable sensation can improve. Your gut is an incredibly complex ecosystem containing bacteria, food particles, fluids, and digestive processes. Producing gas is simply one small part of everything happening inside your intestines. However, remember that farting alone cannot determine whether your gut is completely healthy. The goal of healthy digestion isn't to completely eliminate every fart your body produces. Instead, the goal is having digestion that generally feels comfortable and functions normally for you. A little gas is expected, especially after eating certain foods or larger meals. Sometimes intestinal gas becomes temporarily trapped instead of immediately moving through and leaving your body. As the gas accumulates, it can create pressure against the intestinal walls. This may leave you feeling bloated, full, uncomfortable, or eager for relief. Trapped intestinal gas can cause sensations of abdominal fullness, pressure, stretching, or mild temporary discomfort. You might even change your posture because your stomach simply doesn't feel comfortable. Fortunately, these sensations often improve naturally once the gas moves through. When gas accumulates inside your intestines, pressure can temporarily increase around the intestinal walls. This doesn't necessarily mean something dangerous is happening inside your body, but releasing the gas can make you feel considerably more comfortable afterward. When you hold in gas, it doesn't magically disappear from your digestive system. The gas can remain temporarily trapped or move through different sections of your intestines. Eventually, your body will usually find a way to release that accumulated gas. Occasionally holding in a fart because of your surroundings usually isn't something to panic about. However, repeatedly suppressing normal bodily urges can leave some people feeling unnecessarily uncomfortable. Your body produces gas for a reason, so allowing natural release is often easier. When trapped gas finally passes, the pressure inside your abdomen can quickly begin decreasing. That release can make your stomach feel lighter, looser, and significantly more comfortable. Sometimes, the simplest solution to uncomfortable gas is simply letting your body release it. There isn't one exact number of times that every healthy person should fart daily. Gas production varies depending on your diet, digestion, gut bacteria, and individual body. What matters most is understanding what is normal for you personally. The foods you eat can strongly influence how much gas your digestive system produces. Some people notice more gas after eating beans, dairy, vegetables, or certain carbohydrates. Learning your personal food triggers can make managing uncomfortable bloating much easier. If bloating or excessive gas happens frequently, paying attention to your meals can reveal useful patterns. Writing down what you eat alongside digestive symptoms can help identify possible triggers. A simple food diary can therefore become a useful tool for understanding your digestion. The next time you fart, remember that your digestive system is simply doing its job. Don't be ashamed of a completely natural bodily process that happens to everyone. Know you're normal, listen to your body, and remember that sometimes letting it out helps. Follow Anatomy Jingles for more health videos like this. Comment where you are watching from, and see you in the next video.